morning and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a new thing that I'm doing. I know I've mentioned previously in my videos that I've had a company, but now it's blooming and blossoming into something bigger, and I couldn't be more grateful. So I have somebody working on my LLC for me because I am not savvy when it comes to taxes and all the legality stuff. My parents' accountant is handling that for me, but today I'm just going to be showing you guys me packaging my orders and printing out the shipping labels and then taking it to USPS to ship, because that's going to be my preferred mail service. But today, Friday, May 8th, is when I launched A Monet Collections website. I've been already around for a year, but today is the day that I launched my website, so people are able to access my products, like my bonnets, which are double layered. I'll show you this one since it's out of the packaging, but this is how they look. It's satin material, and you can flip it inside out and wear it on the pink side as well. But this is how they look. They're very nice. They're big. They can fit like your hair in here. Okay, you have no problem. You'll still have space. These are nice. They're very stretchy. But these are what I'm really trying to promote right now, are my bonnets, because like, who doesn't want a satin bonnet? It keeps your hair nice and moisturized, you know, instead of cotton. And this is just like some wigs that I made or whatever, and if once they get purchased, then I'll be packaging. But right now I haven't got any orders for a wig, so right now you're just going to see me packaging I have little hairpins. I'll show them once I find them, but I'm just going to show you me setting up. So right now you see me on, so this is better so you guys can see it, but this is what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this order, hold on, these are awaiting shipment. So this person, Shamara, which is my friend, she ordered 2 items, which I already know what they are. So what I'm going to do is, so over here, she ordered the blinged out hair clip that says money, and she ordered a double layer satin bonnet, which are over there. So what I'm going to do is take a package, a mailer, which are over here. I'm going to take a shipping, a smaller one, because I have 2 sizes. So I have this size one, I have this size mailer, and then I have this size mailer. So since she ordered the bonnet, I'm going to fold it up and be able to fit it in this size mailer. So what I have to do now is place her items in her packaging. So that's what I'm going to show you now. I'm going to place her items in her packaging, and then I'm going to weigh it on the scale. Here's her packaging. Now I'm just going to take a bonnet, fold it, get all the air out of the packaging, and then I'm going to place it in here. Get the air out. It's annoying. Get the air out. And then I'm going to place it in here. I'm going to place that in there. And then I have to get the hair clips. So, where did I put them? So, I keep my hair clip in this little panda bag. By the way, fun fact, that's my nickname. And I'm going to look for the clip money, because that's the one she ordered. She ordered a money clip. So here's the money clip. And I'm just going to put that in there with it. And then I'm going to take a business card place that in there. And then I'm going to take a thank you card, which has a discount code on it that you cannot have unless you purchase with me. But these are the thank you cards. I'm going to put that in there. Like that. And then I got to get my scale. Take my scale. I got this off of Amazon for $20. Just turn my scale on, and you have to put it on a flat surface. So I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put it right here on a flat surface. And then I'm gonna take the package and see how much it weighs, and it says 2.4, but you want to keep doing it a few times just to see like if that's the actual weight of the package. So again, it say 2.4. So now I'm just going to enter in 3. I'm going to enter in 3 ounces only because I'm not sure how to make it do like 2.4. Like it won't let me do that. So I'm going to put 3 ounces right here because the machine said 2.4, so I'm just going to round it. And then I'm going to use USPS first class mail. And then I'm going to choose package. And then I'm going to choose delivery. I want to be known that it's delivered. I'm not going to pay any insurance on it. And you see the rate is 2.74. So now I'm going to click. Let me make sure these are in there. Yeah. I'm going to click create and print label. So now you can watch it. So here we have, yeah. Okay. So here we have the shipping label. I'm not going to show the addresses, but here are the shipping labels. And now I'm just going to cut it out so that it fits better onto the baggie. I'm just going to take the label, fold it in half, and then I'm just going to cut it. But when I cut it, since I learned this from last time, it'd be hard to like get the sticky part. I'm just going to pull it apart a little bit. And then cut the rest. And then I could just cut the rest off like this. And now I'm just going to take the little plastic off of this one. Everything is in there. And I'm going to seal it shut. Take the shipping label. And you always want to put it on the side. You want to put it on the side where the package is closed so that nobody can tamper with the mail. But this is how it looks. So we have 2 packages down. And now I'm just going to finish packing the rest of the packages, and I'll be back when it's time to go to USPS.